Welcome to Logan's English. Today we'll learn American English through a classic Aesop's fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Listen carefully, read along, and improve your English step by step. One bright summer day, a hard-working ant was busy gathering food. She carried grains of wheat and seeds back to her home. The ant knew that winter was coming soon, and she wanted to prepare. Nearby, a grasshopper was singing and dancing. He did not worry about the future. He said, "Why work so hard? The sun is shining, and there is plenty of food now." The ant replied, "I am saving food for the cold winter days. You should do the same." But the grasshopper laughed and said, "I will enjoy today. I don't care about winter." Days passed, and the ant continued to work hard every day. She collected enough food to last through the winter. When winter came, the grasshopper was hungry and cold. He had no food and nowhere to go. He saw the ant's house full of food. He knocked on the door and asked, "Can you help me? I have no food to eat." The ant said, "When the sun was shining, you sang and danced. Now you must rest." The grasshopper learned a valuable lesson that day. It is important to work hard and prepare for the future.